Or the mommy.
What do you think's in your room? What do you think Daddy did? What?
I'm a train coming with mommy. Try touch.
Oh?
Train.
Oh?
Where our trains go?
What did you just say? You were pretty close. You're getting warmer.
Where train go?
Before that, what were you saying about Mommy?
Is he trying to guess what's on the wall? Or in his room?
No, there's train over. Sure.
I don't know.
Mommy.
You ready to go see your special surprise?
Are you
Being
ready?
such a big boy for
Sleeping in your big boy bed. Big boy, give me a high five, big boy.
High five! You've been sleeping there every night like a big boy.
Hey, that's my man.
Hey, all trains.
Well, you get the trains from Hobby Lobby when you keep going poopy in the potty.
Trains from Hobby Lobby when you poop and potty. Ready?
Hold on.
Here we go. You might want to get in front so you can see his face.
Oh, where's the key? Gotta get the key.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Look at him.
What's in here?
You
What did
excited?
Daddy make
Are you
up for?
excited to see? Alright. Alright, hold on. Let Daddy get in front of you.
Ready? Set.
Go.
Go. Ooh. What do you think about that,
What
dude?
is that?
Are those
Gabe,
train
what is
tracks?
Yes. Kind of like trains.
They look kind of like train tracks?
Yes.
But you know what? We gotta finish them. They're not done yet. Do you want to help Daddy finish them tomorrow?
Yes.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take these ropes that Daddy spray painted.
Finish your tracks.
We're gonna finish the track. So what we're gonna do
Oh.
is we're gonna add the rope to the track
Good.
and make the track
Good.
part like this.
Good, Gabriel.
Now there's the train tracks. You see?
This is not tracks.
What?
It's not on tracks. The track. The thing was from tracks.
Huh? Do you like your train tracks?
This guy's on train, not train tracks. Oh, baby.
Gabriel, what do you think about you have train tracks on your wall?
It's not tracks. It does say make tracks.
Well, Daddy's not finished with it yet. He's got to put the rope on there for your track.
I gotta put the track on there. Those are just the planks that the track sits on.
Oh.
Yeah, I gotta put the track on there still.
It does have
And then it'll be full train tracks. We could maybe put some trains on there whenever we get it finished.
But you can't touch them, okay? You
Huh?
want them to stay on the wall.
Yeah, he can.
Well, you can touch them.
You can touch them, but don't try and break them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You can touch them. You don't have to touch them, man. Give it a test drive. All right, bud.
Do you like
Hey.
your train tracks?
More.
Do you like your train tracks, Gabriel?
They put away on giraffe.
This is awesome. Look, you have train tracks on your wall. On your bedroom wall. Yeah?
Yeah, you gonna help
Daddy's
Daddy?
gonna finish that
Are
tomorrow.
you gonna help Daddy finish that tomorrow?
Yes.
You wanted to make the track, the actual wood planks. You wanted that to be a surprise tonight. I hope you're surprised. Do you like them? I don't think so. All right, bud. Well, It was mommy's idea, but daddy worked really hard on it for you. Daddy had a different idea, but we went with mommy's. I love you.
What was your idea?